Hello everybody. This is going to be a little bit different of a video than what I've been uploading recently. This is a programming video slash Raspberry Pi slash Python video. We can focus more on any one of those three aspects of this if that's something that you guys want to see more of. But for now we're going to do a short overview, about maybe 5 or 6 minutes of the components and this program that I have written for the demonstration for today. So this is my pet project, if you will. This is the program here written in Python 3.4.2. There's probably a newer one out there, but this is what I'm running right now. So there may be a little bit of a few nuances if you download this and try to run this directly, but I wouldn't expect you to have too many problems. So we need to import from the Sensat because the Raspberry Pi doesn't always have one. So in the front, the top of the code here, we've got import from Sensat. That brings the Sensat online. Additionally, we need to import time. Otherwise, the Sensat will never know when to. Otherwise, the Sensat and the Raspberry Pi and the code won't know when to trigger the next event because it will have no way to tell time. So it seems arbitrary, but it is very important to have that in there. And then we're going to name the Sensat here. So here we have red, blue, yellow, and empty. I'm sorry, red, brown, yellow, and empty. These are the only colors that I used for this code. And these are easy to find. If you want a different shade of blue, all you do is you just go online, look up a color chart, and it will give you these three series of numbers. And you type those in, and then you need to name them. And that's what these hashtags do. Again, we can do more of a breakdown on the code in a future video. This is just a run through. So then we've got pet number one. So across all the top, where we've got all yellows, and then we've got a red, and these are all empties. You do have to label the empty spots in the LED grid, or it will mess everything up. So here's pet one. Here's pet two. They're mostly identical. The top row here is yellow. Top row here is empty, and then we've got some foot changing around here. And then, so 10 here tells us we're going to repeat these programs 10 times. We're going to set pixels on the Sensat to pet 1. We're going to sleep for for 1 second. And then we're going to set the pixels to pet 2. And then we're going to sleep again for a second. We're going to repeat that 10 times. And then we're going to clear the Sensat. So let's see what this looks like. Just like the Goombas in the original Mario. It's just a series of 2 pictures that alternate. We'll cycle 10 times and then we'll clear. And there's a better look at the Sensat with all of our additional sensors on the side that we can do. And this is a little joystick that can be very useful for additional inputs while you're running your programs. Now if we go back to our program here, and refocus, go back to our program. If you don't like that yellow across the top, this is so simple. We just take out yellow and add empties. Or if you want it all red or brown, you do whatever you want just by changing this grid. So you can use this program. You don't have to use a pet. You could rename it, or you could keep it name of pet if you don't care. And you could make a caterpillar change into a butterfly, or you could play a game of Pong. You just simply by changing this code, and then all you have to do here is we click run. It's going to tell us we have to save. We click save, and then we'll run the program again. And now our yellow sky will be gone. So there's pet 1 and pet 2. Pet 1, pet 2. And we don't have that yellow sky across the top. So you can, the sky's the limit, and your patient level also affects how much programming you can do. So just a quick video. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. We definitely can do some more. I've got some other sensors, some flame sensors and stuff that could be kind of fun to explore. I'm going to drop this code down in the comment section. You guys can, if you've got one of these or you want one, you can save this code onto your computer. You have to download Python in order to run it. And this user interface is directly from the Raspberry Pi. I run Raspbian. So Any questions, drop them below and I will answer them as I can. Thanks for watching.